everybody, it's Mary of Ancestral Beginnings and welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry. It has been a while, hasn't it? I'm so sorry I have not been posting any content. The last month has just been so busy, I guess you could say, and just could not get my act together. So the end of September, I went away to the Finger Lakes with my sister and some friends, had a great time. And then right after I got back home from that, I had to spend the following week getting ready for a garage sale. My town had their city-wide garage sale, and I wanted to participate this year, so that kept me busy. And then after that, just busy with some sales, and then an unfortunate occurrence happened. My daughter's dog, who lives with my ex-husband, I came upon, found out that he was in a really deplorable condition. He's 14 or 15, was 14 or 15 years old. Very old for his breed. He's a part pit bull. And came out to find when I went up there to my ex's house that he was just not in good condition. I made the quick decision to fly my daughter home from Colorado and set things into motion to have him put down then that Monday morning. So it was just a bad situation all around, and that kind of sent me into a bit of a low feeling for a while. So I'm back now, and just wanted to do an unboxing. I got some things from a few of my reseller friends, and this is the first time I think I've ever done an unboxing of things I've purchased from resellers, so I wanted to go ahead and do that for you today. Okay, so the first little item I got was from Kathy, the Kitschy Cat. I got this really cute little candelabra. It's gonna go in my Halloween decor. Of course, though, I didn't get a chance to display it this year, but it will definitely go in for next year. Got that spooky vibe. I'd like to find some black candles to put in there, so I think that would be really cool. So I love that. Thank you, Kathy. Let's see. Okay, next I'm going to show you, I got something from Bridget, the Baker's Daughters, LLC, and look how she wrapped the box in Christmas. So it's a Christmas item, so yeah, so that's very appropriate. So let me go ahead and open the box, and I'll show you what I got. Oh, look how she packaged it. So, a sweet little tag. Thank you, Mary. Thank you, Bridget. Oh, look at that. So sweet. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. Her signature baker's twine. All right. Oh, you guys, you know I'm a sucker. I am a sucker for these mugs, these Santa mugs. Look at that. Oh, I love the gold. I had forgotten that there's gold accents to it. and then all the way around the back, gold around the back. And oh, this is quite old. M. Kaufman, 1953. Love it. Love it. That is wonderful. Thank you, Bridget. I love it. It'll be a great addition to my Christmas decor. Thank you so much. All right. Let's put this over here. Then the next person, you guys, I got from was Heather of Antique Agenda. All right. And I got some things to craft with, I think. Yes. So I'm very excited. Oh, looks like a little extra package toppers. There's a pin, a Santa pin, and then some stickers and a bingo card. Lovely. All right. This first item that I bought a lot from her at this sale. It was amazing. She has these, look. Oh my goodness. These tin plates. I love them. Oh my gosh. And then also with it, I will open this up. It is like a little, I think it's like a cake topper, I'm thinking. Santa on his sleigh with the reindeer. Oh, I love it. It's like a light pink color, so I love it. Love it, love it. Okay, what's next in here in the box? Put that over there. Okay, you know me. I'm a sucker for, I don't know what it is. I buy all the candle rings, you guys. I buy all of them. So I got this. Ooh. More. I got more cupcake picks. I got some other ones that I still haven't shown you a haul, but I got those. I got these, but I, don't have, I do not have the skulls, you guys, and I love skulls. Oh my goodness, I love these. I am so tickled. All right, those. And then I got a package. Let's see. There's clowns in here. But these, I think, are very special clowns. All right. Oh my God, look at these. Look. Oh, look at these. Oh my. So special. Really cute. Darling. Oh goodness. I've got 3 of them in here. So they'll be so fun to play with. Oh my goodness. Love those. Gosh, I didn't remember how much I got. Oh, gave you a bonus ribbon just because. So I bought some ribbons. Again, I could craft with these. They're 4H ribbons, but oh my goodness, the green, so cool. Great for Christmas or St. Patrick's Day even. So, got 3 of those. Thank you, Heather. Thank you. And then there's something else in here. Oh my goodness. Oh. Looky, looky, looky. Look at this deer. Awesome. He's plastic. I'm not seeing anything on the bottom, but he's probably Hong Kong, would be my guess, or Taiwan. Love him. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Heather. All right. And she left another note. Mary, I truly appreciate all of your support and kindness as we explore this crazy but wonderful world of YouTube. I hope you enjoy your goodies. Thank you so much, Heather. And I think that is it. Yay! Okay, last I got something from Cindy of Mimi's Treasure Cottage. And of course, really nice. And she included some cupcake pics. Of course, she knows I love them too. So it's a, let's see, a red wreath and a green stocking, Christmas stocking. So I got little Cupid doll, and then I also got a little block that says vintage. I don't know if, I can't remember if this was a giveaway or an add-on. Might have been a giveaway, yeah. So, love it. And then I'm getting into Cupid dolls, you guys. I don't know. And then there's one other little thing in here. It's a vintage snowman pin. So I think you pull, yes, I think you pull this. Yep. His hat tilts and his arm tilts. That is so adorable. Oh my gosh. So these pins, I, you know me and plastic Christmas, because that's what I remember from my childhood, is all the plastic things. I remember these plastic pins. I remember, the ones that you pull, they either light up or, they have movable parts. They're just my vibe all the way, plastic. So thank you so much, Cindy. I love everything. So, okay, you guys. So I'm hoping to get back, with my haul videos. I have a lot of stuff that has piled up, and probably won't be able to keep everything straight, but I will hopefully get going on my haul videos and some shop alongs too. I just went to on my way up to Erie to my ex's house. I went to Paynesville and I went to Amy Vioso Boho. I went to her, the shops by the lake, and I visited her booths, and I was not in a good state, trying to edit that video, and I lost all the shopping portion of the video. So I got to kind of redo that, and I'll hopefully get that up and show you what I bought there. And guys, if you are on Instagram, you can follow me at mcm.ancestor. I would love it. Please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, please, and leave me a comment and send some good vibes my way. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.